Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you the new project by HVAC Max company. Nice house, nice cottage. So let's go in. It's a nice view on the street. It's close to the lake, like 1 mile, maybe less. Coming in. So it's a first floor, very high ceiling. No basement. Then I will make the same video but on Russian. Kitchen. There's gonna be a kitchen. Just some living room. So about our work. Here's gonna be a furnace, the machine that makes heat and cool. So it's gonna be here, in this place. It's gonna stand there and it will be connected to this duct system here. After that, air going through those ducts, going there and there. So from here we see that we can see 4 pipes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 pipes. Some of them are going down, like this one system. Some of them are going to the second floor. Here we have 3 of them, 2, 3, and the same for the second floor. Here, from this side of the ducts, yeah, defined system, some interesting, and going there. So 1, 2, and 2 on the window. 1, 2. You see big pipe coming a smaller pipe. Alright, let's go into the second floor. Ladder. Oh, actually we can check the basement. There was a basement. Ooh. Some light. Nothing interesting. Let's go. The second floor. Those 3 holes from first floor is covered by sheet metal. Here, here, and the third one is going like that. On the second floor, his own duct system. Here is gonna be a furnace. It's connected to duct here. And this duct is going this way. Smiley face. 1, 2, 3, maybe more pipes, and this way. Air going through the ducts from the furnace to the openings, like that. It's the same system for a second and a third floor. Some of the pipes are going to the top, some of them going to the bottom. So here, just on the floor. This one, that one, here, 1, 2, and 2 over there, 1, 2. So this is the building. This is the 3rd floor. One big, I don't know, living room, bathroom with the jacuzzi tube. One bedroom. This is a ladder for the electrician guy. He's tried to install the lamps over there. It's awesome. It can be a nice dance room. So, it was Armin van Buren and his Estate of Trance. Bye.